Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of like a follow-up to the video that I filmed a month ago where basically I said I hate my hair. So you guys know I'm transitioning back to natural because my relaxed hair could care less that it's relaxed, so it's just not doing what it's told. My hair is like very confused and it's very annoying and I'm just tired of it. My split ends are like traveling up and everything like that, so I just need to get my hair back in order. So I'm actually gonna get a sew-in, but I'm getting like a braidless sew-in. I haven't done my hair in like 2 days and I have no shame because I'm just so tired of this. Look at that. I'm gonna take you guys through this whole experience because I've had a sew-in before. It was a traditional sew-in, which is what I asked for this time, but I really wanna get a braidless sew-in, which is what I was suggested to get because I need to be able to wear my hair up in a bun because you guys know I have a 6-month-old who is pulling out my hair and everything, so I need to be able to put my hair up. And I have a filming shoot in a couple of days, and that's where I have to wear my hair in a bun for that shoot. A traditional sew-in wasn't actually gonna work, so I needed something a little more versatile. I am headed to go get a Tropical Cafe and then head to my appointment for the first half because we had to split it up in 2 because I can't be there all day long because I have a 6-month-old.
We're gonna clarify your hair and get all your buildup out. Then I'm gonna deep condition you. We're gonna blow dry you out and then trim it. Okay. Come on over. Let's get started.
Yeah, you guys can see the brown tint. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. Oh my goodness, I can run my fingers through my hair. Do you see my hair right now? Like, look at my hair. Oh my goodness. I kind of feel like I could just be fine with this, but I really want a protective style, so look at this. Oh my gosh, like, I'm just so in love with my hair, which is says a whole lot considering like I was like, oh, I hate my hair, like this is terrible, my life is over, like I'm gonna be bald. So I really need to get something for my car so I can hold my camera up. I like completely went the wrong way, like not paying attention fully. So I'm at a red light right now to tell you guys that I am going home right now and then to go back later this afternoon around 4 to do like the rest of it because I couldn't be at the hair salon for but so long basically. She's gonna do the install then of the braidless sew-in and I'll show you guys all of that. So I am back home right now and look at my hair. It feels so good. Like it feels so healthy. Running my fingers through it. When I initially met her, she said that we're gonna have to take off like basically like this much, like 2 inches or so. It was a lot, whatever it was. She didn't have to take off that much. She did say that some of my hair color came out, which is fine. Like it's not a big deal. My hair is still dark and it's a natural color. I'm about to eat some lunch right now, hang out with Mariah, and then in a few hours I'm gonna leave to go get Maya and then continue with today's hair journey and show you guys what the end result looks like. So super excited. looks a lot better than I even thought it was gonna look. Oh, it feels so good too. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm from Paradise Salon. I have my own business. My little salon in Tampa, Florida. We did some braidless extensions for Victoria today. It came out beautiful, so I hope you guys liked it.